The carburetor is one the component in the motorbike engine. The main intake of the carburetor is to make the fuel supply which pour air and become a gas that causes the combustion chamber. In this video I will explain the component is the contact of the carburetor as well as their protection and mechanism in the unit. The carburetor has very important component, namely we will discuss them one by one. We will discuss starting from the front of the carburetor, namely the fish starting from the venturi hole or venturi gap in the carburetor with a gap for air circulation. To curtain protect of the carburetor outside of the main suction funnel on the carburetor. Will here there is ESC or either speed control and max a with an arrow is also the exhaust circulation in the carburetor, while at the bottom and this is superior of when setting for curtain are some say this is the sphere while this is the wind setting and when is marked with this arrow is the circulation in the inner venturi. This is there is a circulation cap and the third is the circulation from the pilot jet, and on the right jet there is the ESC circulation or either speed control that is meter or LR. Well then in the venturi part is okay, we will move the right sheet of the carburetor. On the right sheet there are three important components that form the buffer valve or lever for the oil ticker, and then there is this membrane vessel, which in yes the red one is the membrane vessel. On the inside of this membrane there is a person or rubber seal and the membrane. Then there is press as a cell and a valve, and there are two holes for the injection circulation from the ESC its left and that at the top. Well at the top this is regulator for the iris and valve of the needle on paying. Check that is there a vacuum and the needle on the needle for 4 of 5 level which can cut according noted, and then is vacuum section there are air control and main oil mixing are from the pilot jet. Okay, it's mouth on the bottom component of the carburetor there is a 4 and 4 needle or as soon of valve for the oil discharge from the tank. Now this is a 4 needle. On this is on the oil section are to the instrument for the carburetor valve in section there are from the elastic or main from the 4 needle, and then there are two main versions, namely the pilot jet and the main jet, but there are two different, namely the pilot jet works at lower RPM while the main jet will work at medium to high RPM and better out as a cover head is part of the pump for circulating all the main venturi or the main funnel of the carburetor. Not all type of carburetor on motorbikes this exterior pump for both for motorbikes usually on record CAC. The still as the external pump, and the pump will work when the gas level when the motor is full. Red cat when the motor is still off or not yet turned on. The pump is the priming of the main valve for the combustion chamber when the motor is cold. So in the section there is the air circulation control going to the external venturi, and then there is the ESC or handle speed control. Actually for some of the ESC system some motor are still controlled by GDE, but there are also automatic system in the ESG circulation but which are still counter-busy. Actually, two cables are connected when the ESG cable works under the needle valve calls from the commandant of the mechanic system connected from the CDI. System itself, when the ESG is working, the CDA will command the magnetic system to open the valve so the valve from the bottom will broadcast into the external venturi cap and first the ESG will be closed entering to the CDI commanded. When the external venturi line is not needed, the ESG